Ki khubor ka Batese TV
Ka umdi basnyam bat penjaslian Rupa Premium Meghalaya.
Ringkat lang bagari India Brockway ka Office District Ayush Society hakar pulai trip nailur arajar arpusan Rakhe yakiten Ayurveda de dag babu hakmat yakathong ban pinsngo thu ikipat ba no shoshnong hlogi jimin toy kajing smar Ayurveda hagajing lang kablalong ha Ayush Hospital ha Sohra Laidan lang Mission Director ke National Ayush Mission Meghalaya Dr. Joram Beda ublalong kumukongsan ka video jong gashela Bolaganj CNR di blok kong ideal ritingkai kinta kum gusembut kongsan Dr. DK Raswai kumukongsan makerpang bat kiwe hakan gesngi la samru ki kusnam siginong job ka jing kop quiz bat poster competition
For establishing to for this growth of this hospital, so that this hospital together with you, we can it will help us to grow, so that this hospital will become the center of healing and hope for everyone. So I request everyone to come and take the benefit of this hospital. So I think that we have already started the OPD. Very soon we will be starting the indoor. So let me read the pledge. Ayurveda, Indian ancient heritage, has given us a complete way of life. In times of modern challenges, Ayurveda has not only provided us with preventive measures and treatment, but also show us the path of life balance, harmony with nature and long-term health. Human being and the protections of the earth are complementary, and Ayurveda Day reminds us of this. When we follow Ayurvedic principles such as balanced diet, daily routine, and respect for nature resources, we protect not only our health but also the health of Mother Earth. The government is committed to strengthening Ayurveda through scientific standard, encouraging research and innovation, and promoting Ayush product and service globally to this end. The Ministry of Ayush has done commendable work in protecting public awareness, quality improvement, and global collaboration. This role of the ministry will become even more important in coming years. By incorporating the simple and practical principle of Ayurveda in our lifestyle, we can move forward towards a healthy life. This will also be an important contribution to sustainable development. Wishing all the countrymen good health. Once again, happy Ayurveda Day. Thank you.
bai wo cha tra you sling you spong wo ka pali you are yo chong kun yo chong kya sel per thai wo te min ki ne gem ne bai ka kam ka story ti ne man sa ya ka story ti ka sa tong ku ne chen yang i da hi sel per thai wo te min ki ne gem ne bai ka kam ka story ti sel per thai wo te min ki ne gem ne bai ka kam ka story ti
Thank you so much to the District Nodal Ayush Officer, Dr. Palam, Dr. J.K. Sangma, Additional DMNHO, East Khasi Hills, Sir Ram Bakshiji, Assistant Lecturer, Ramakrishna Mission, Dr. S.I. Karshandi, Kubleshi Bune Pilawanlang, doctors, officers, and staff from DHS, from Civil Hospital, and from the 50-bedded Ayush Hospital, and Kinong Shnong Joganida Thain Sohra. Thank you so much for inviting me for this program. I'm extremely honored to be part of it because I know very well that the people of Sohra Civil Subdivision need to understand the requirement of Ayurveda along with allopathy. Of course, I do not need to lecture you all on Ayurveda. You are all experts on it. I want to deeply emphasize today on the second part of it, which is Ayurveda for people and planet. All of us have understood from the keynote address given by Dr. Nisha Hunwalang, a very holistic speech from her side regarding Ayurveda for people and planet. Beautiful songs on Meiram O, Rilom, a beautiful dance also. Meiram O, Mariang, Rilom, How, all these Khasi words we hear every day. We dance to it, we sing to it. Do we understand that importance? What is the purpose of just dancing and singing to it if we don't understand the importance of planet and environment? I want to inform the people of 50-bedded Ayush Hospital here in Krishnam. You are surrounded by a beautiful ecosystem around you. You have herbs, you have plants, you have forest that have so many medicinal values. I don't know if you are aware. Pia pernah berpiedon ikan bat hangi hajan shnong hajan hospital jongpi. Doctors of Ayush, are you aware? Please be mindful, like Dr. Nisha Hun said. Be mindful of the environment that is surrounding you. You are gifted with a beautiful, clean, scenic environment around your hospital. You have herbs that have medicinal values. Of course, you have Ayurveda, Unnani, Siddha, that as Ayush doctors, I don't have to explain to you. But also remember, you have traditional herbs of the Khasi, Jantia, and Garo communities. Please respect them as well. There are so many herbs, so many jari booties that you should remember are all part of your ecosystem, and maybe as Ayush doctors, as homeopathy doctors, Dr. Karshani will be very aware that they are no different from what is being taught thousands of years by scholars, by medicine practitioners, that maybe perhaps the standard world medical reference does still not accept them. But yes, Khasi, Jaintia, Garo, all these communities have traditional healing systems that maybe in the centuries to come may be accepted also by the world standard medical reference. I request you all, as Ayush doctors, staff, and practitioners, please be sensitive to traditional medical systems as well, because I think we all youngsters here know that song Burong Yakajongki Wei Sarong Ya Yalajong. To please respect others' practices, but also do not forget yours. They are very important. We have young school children from Ramakrishna Mission Sohra, I believe. You are the torch bearers of the future to come. I request you all, please be mindful of the environment that surrounds you. We do know that Ayush doctors have been co-located with MBBS doctors in various PHCs, various CHCs. Of course, people are now accepting Ayush doctors and the practice of Ayush. I request you to please be sensitive towards the beliefs, towards the systems of especially rural folks, because they are unaware, they're ignorant. Please be kind to them, because as a BDO of this region, of this area, of this block, I do understand there are a lot of inhibitions. But you, as Ayush doctors who are here in this Ayush 50-bedded hospital, kindly be sensitive, kindly be patient. I hope as you celebrate the first big celebration in your 50-bedded hospital, I hope that you get to also open the inpatient apart from the OPD. And I wish you all a grand success in the years to come. Before I end, I'd like to wish you all a happy Ayurveda Day. And more than anything, please be mindful. Thank you so much.
I'd like to show you that how does this dinacharya affect your health. To begin with, in Ayurveda, it says we have to wake up in Brahma Muhurta, which is 48 minutes to 96 minutes before sunrise. During this period, the environment is calm and pleasant and is considered right time for meditation, exercise, and study. The next step is Danta Dhavan, Gandush, and Kaval, which means brushing of teeth and gargling. By doing this, it helps in maintaining oral hygiene, improves taste perception, and promotes oral health. After brushing, it is said to perform achaman, that is, to sprinkle water on the face or to wash the face and the eyes. By doing this, it will help in cleansing of eyes and improve the power of vision. Next, Ayurveda recommends Ushna Jalpan or drinking warm water in the morning. It helps in easy evacuation of bowels and prevents diseases of the urinary system, gastrointestinal tract, and metabolic disorders. Ayurveda also recommends to do vyam or exercise as a part of dinacharya. Physical exercise promotes lightness of the body, increase endurance power, alleviation of dosha, increase agni or digestive power in an individual. Next, Ayurveda recommends to have breakfast ideally within first few hours after waking up, typically between 7 a.m. to 9 a.m. This timing aligns with the kapha time of day, which supports digestion and energy. It is also essential to have wholesome food, since it helps in growth, development, and sustenance of life. Waking up late disrupts your circadian rhythm, which can lead to fatigue, increased irritability, poor focus, a weakened immune system, and even weight gain due to altered hormone levels.
Con. Cannot. Last lamp is good. Cannot. You got one breakfast you, Con? No Maggie? No. Do chicken and masala. Ada masala. Ni, bam siya to kayo. Bam siya to breakfast. Naik phone.
Having junk food for breakfast can lead to nutritional deficiency, digestive issues like constipation, and long-term risks like high blood pressure, high cholesterol, and diabetes mellitus.
Bye, Con. Malak hati tu. Okay, tata. Bye.
Skipping breakfast daily can lead to various health problems, including low blood sugar, fatigue, reduced concentration, digestive issues like acidity, stomach pain, and increased risk of type 2 diabetes.
Baba, kino. Lakad we baje. Kino kong ihap kila lit school. Pek kutu magi la penkat shi mula peja.
Tengah tay ni Mary nak persil dia. Kamu baca, tuan sakit kami sibin.
Kie ban sum shwa, sumi ban freshen up ban mi pelit dan kami
Ngalade pesum saya menin.
Piklam sum menen, pisum nado men chismi.
Mary. To sa pangan sakino ta mereka.
Tah, ngate ngatharai ngan hable yo no kon tip sabam, sa penkhoi ni gamit ngate ngali yo sa bami hang ni ma.
To Mary. Haji bayi, Maggie man kasih langya. Yang no. Tah. Ngalit kaya.
School pun. Kijang ni Okay, like kipang mo. Pang. Này, melawan. Bun kam na. Bun malak. Lunch office. Bun kam the ping. Sila.
Through playing outside, children develops good physical fitness, stamina, self-discipline, and social skills.
Baik, lawan school. Oh, lawan school. Mana dia ni? Pisu break tak lakot tum tu.
Phone na kay game show kan.
Sulia kai phone.
Tang si pang tang tu ram mo na. If there is no physical exercise, a body experiences increased risk of weight gain and obesity, metabolic disorders, lethargy, poor mental health, and low immunity.
Mei, Pilawan Yo.
Ni Bapak, how I can ngelawan?
Sebenar. Siapa you main kasih?
Pan syat tikun menta ngamuk pan syat tak surwa ngatit mena na yo tang dupan buka jot. Larian pala kijing tak menta.
Mei tang serua si serua pi. Tuan mentang ini ya order non KFC mah. Genongi kong sa order non KFC. Mah.
Ni uwe tau KFC ngam tip tikun.
Dos ya.
Dos yan.
Ha.
Ban hap lek kum no ngam tip ri lek mo pi mo.
Ngan sao ngai kong mah.
Okey ta.
Ta aman kong ah. Halo, kong. Sa order na KFC mo ta. Thai pi mei serua si serua man kasih. Mah. Ta. Okey. Ta suana mah. Ta.
Mei ngalak boy, sim ngawan rak KFC.
Ni kong alele se kong syang. Ngamuk bantiu sya tang bagi om mania order du tau KFC te.
Ngini bam jan.
Bam sunan ada kerja. Kerja kampat ikun. Ak kendiat mo syat sya.
Ngaruh hap terikam sama.
Toh,
Kia.
kamu. Hai ta.
Ngaruh pe chua da kafun chipang. Benar si mei.
Ale ni ya bam san.
Dinner should ideally be a lighter meal and should be consumed a few hours before 7 p.m. or at least 2 to 3 hours before sleep.
Mei. Asya ni yo shti te ni dalik sapak lang ni ya. Okey yo shti la syai. Biang hi no min dalik la syai. Mo. Yes. Isang flight MD sapak. Pak ship pak ite ni dia. Betas ni tengah dekat. Yang kalau shti te mai la syai. Yo shti mo la syai. Orang lain tidak akan health check up kan. Tanya mesti baru ni. Tidak ada tanya nak buat. Tapi yang ini ni lepas saya men check up. Mo ni saya lek pada siapa? Ini lek saya hospital saya siapa? Ini lek saya ni saya. Amslam dah.
It is advised to sleep from 10 p.m. to 4:30 a.m. or 5 a.m. The ideal duration of sleep is 8 to 10 hours for children and 6 to 8 hours for adults. Good sleep is essential for growth, mental health, work efficiency, and longevity.
คุณเรียนบอมจะเนาะ
Chim bela ka phun.
Ni duduk teh, syutang ke phone be. Tu bam tu kacakin
Ya
lo.
bam bahate dah like ka phun.
Bam.
Eating late dinner and
May.
unhealthy food can lead to poor digestion and formation of metabolic toxins, increasing the risk of cardiovascular diseases, diabetes mellitus, and certain cancers.
Ni ngam tre kam atan ngam bam.
Tu kun.
Ni mai ngam snu sukpo te pinure.
Sukpo?
Me.
Sukpo? Beli pi bam bakalai mana bro sini?
Te me bam jang try mane.
Ni latri kale kata te. Tat manre hayeng te ngim don dawai ra kon sang la shai hi bandalit kit ana farmasi mo.
La he ban ak me. Ona shay nga yoshti pi me.
Oh, to pinang la sha ni em.
Oh, lang la.
Okey to, salit kit na la shai mo.
Me. Ani nga pang te ki khaban gim nang ni am tha ba ka khli ru. Kalong blur te ban pet tu sa jangai nga mi ibhar.
Duduk kadi kijing pet phone palate.
Dam pi me de pet phone ni re.
Baru sini pet phone ladi tu
Ni
pet
tang lai
phone.
kai game tang si kentar ru. Tang ita te.
Tapi pi iman ni em.
Kalau blur te am tu ngam ibhar. Dapat iba-ba ang tele ti la long ibhar pet. Let sim dawai na sa lang em.
Tapi ngin hab ya let.
Paon nga yo shoot.
Yang mentah em lali isu nama la har arduna ani mlang shu. Dela sai ni sim dawai mo.
Te may ngaru masuk tension matem lagi por. Ngala sokya kamet ru menta pitem. Te yang se may ngele check up no la shai. Mar la shai ru ishuti te kong ru ngaru.
Tadi kikun jonga iwe hadin iwe. Toh,
Let
la
ko
sai
kini
ko
may-
larai. Nginyelit kudu doktor mo nginyelit sim dawai.
Ta me ta kabiak ka ta.
Lada pam em baru.
Ha ni na ta.
Ngalit sat no kityat, ngalit tian os ngan sia tian no mo.
Hai,
Pada syong biet han.
Ta me ta.
Tong me nga lai kai game tang si ra ni. Tong me good night. Ni hap ak pang me.
Tang kata tian. Hei. Nga pe shwa shwa ka series sa shi episode. Tian.
Mama nga tinga lai tian no mo.
Ta lang le ti. Ta.
Good night. Ni la si baji mo. Ya le.
Dang shi bajero tian.
Excessive screen time is linked to various negative impacts.
Hey doktor, minyak apa? Rum. Ini kita pos ni cuma buat dengan peti cakap itu. Abang kan cuci. Yang mau ke BP jangki? Dia pi continue ban embed ka healthy lifestyle. Ben mi rot ya kam keluar tu, ban mit step okay sel exercise. Bahan baki food belong healthy tu mah. Dia bisa bangun follow up yang hati. Syam kini kena buat jumpa. Bless you more, doctor. Thank you, Pedro. Bye.
Whereas family living in house number 2 started having health issues, which they had to go and see the physician.
Doctor, long in room? Pia pang ko no? Ya tu kong.
Ka su te. Me. Nem step up to ki te.
Pi bang baklay ina.
Babang siap le tu. Jubing po ne.
Si bang junk food iro.
Babang.
Dia pia ban pendunama ki junk food pia ban bang ki belong healthy untuk. Te kenang lat su ko kemen step untuk di ke te sel exercise iro mo.
Tu ada.
Nanti tu kini kita awal pi mo. Syam kini kita awal mo na pharmacy. Ong do, istom kan?
Doktor nga em ngapang deh kini ki kamat ni em kuntu dan ni you thar kuntu em ngamtip balik.
Isi ur bikumta. Doktor, nado bakirang sedap. Haru pada tiap minit tang ke mobile be. Te ngamtip syo tak jingpang khamat de bapet reels ni kada jingpang khamat ba shisha ngamtip syo. Te iduk pidang ret temo, pidang ret skun. Te piaban penduna ka jingpet phone mo. Piaban ke ban dek ka shabar kum tu habadan ke mariang e kum tu kan. Te piaban tiak keluar min mir ni ban pet phone tan mo. Te ngantok ini kita wai sadi.
Masyaallah.
Asyam kini na pharmacy mo. Pipat?
Doktor. Ngala. Ngaso mentah bangala. Sengaja doktor. Masih tension ru doktor. Ngaso kumbaka BP ke sini ke laki ulut. Nadu banga ya kat kesamlang. Nyo tiar tang si minit ru. Langsung kumba kasuhe ri ka klik doktor. Ngalem no.
Anto ke BP jong fimo?
Oh, itu kabin doktor.
Kiyo ha ka BP jong fimo? Piaban piaban penduna ke stress ke jong pi, temen mi ro tia ya le ban tia koloi ban tia bon kentamo. Te kabam ro pasang ban bam balong healthy e kan. Bafin kantam kini balong klen ye penduna mo bam ke balong healthy kun ki jor jangam gitu. Te ngan thok kini kita wai mas syem.
Oh, itu doktor.
Te men step ro sakhe le exercise kun tama.
Doctor, please neng bahasi. Men meet em tia hadon dalam mi kesni. Men step ro ke ka arbaje. Ka bami ero tang ki junk food sudah menjutere ban bam ki jur ke serwai.
Tension damai le no.
Pihaban ya le kat bala anala dia mo ban pen reduce ke stress kenta ken ti ban tia koloi pi biang ke kenta ban tia temen step ro pin la ban ke ban exercise penang fresh bate. Te pihaban le kata mo na len ngadi.
Okay.
So kini kita wai mo.
Beli shibon doctor.
Ray piro.
According to WHO, non-communicable diseases killed at least 43 million people in 2021. According to one article published in Journal of Research in Medical Sciences in January 2025, according to it, India has the second largest number of diabetes patients in the world. Cardiovascular diseases are the leading cause of death in India. Obesity rates have been rising steadily, affecting around 5% of the population. Approximately 197.3 million people in India are affected by mental health disorders. Depression and anxiety disorders are the most prevalent. These numbers that I have just read, these numbers are not declining, but these numbers are increasing every day. In recent years, studies have shown that due to lifestyle-related diseases have surged globally, notably in countries like India, due to driven factors such as poor diet, sedentary lifestyle, and tobacco use. Studies have shown that not doing dinacharya have led to increase in the lifestyle-related disorders due to impairment in circadian rhythm, metabolic disorders, stress, and low immunity. Ayurveda also emphasizes in the interconnectedness of the body, mind, and environment. It provides a holistic framework where human health is inseparable from environment. It states that imbalance in the environment leads to imbalance within. Today, rising global warming, deforestation, water contamination, and air pollution have directly influenced disease patterns such as respiratory disorders, vector-borne illnesses, and lifestyle diseases. Several studies have recognized the healing potential of medicinal plants used in Ayurveda. But these plants are now endangered due to environmental degradation. For example, sokwit, or the wild orange that we once get, which was abundant in our state, which helps to treat fever and stomach ailments, have been it's rarely found now. Why? So we have to protect this plant, this medicinal biodiversity, in order to preserve our health and the ecosystem. The integration of Ayurveda with environmental science can have a promising path towards achieving a sustaining environment and health. So how can we achieve all of this? We can plant and conserve these medicinal plants. How? Through community-based and agroforestry initiatives. I would like to conclude by saying, Swasthasya Swastha Rakshanam Aturasya Vikar Prashamanam, which means the prime aim of Ayurveda is to protect and promote the health of a healthy individual and to cure the disease. Ayurveda has always emphasized on prevention in order to live a healthy and long life. As we say, Dirghamayu in Ayurveda. So this Ayurveda Day, I urge each and every one of you to please, incorporate these small acts such as waking up early, sleeping early, eating on time, and eating healthy, maintaining hygiene, and reducing screen timing. These might seem such a small act, but these can make a difference in our lives. So please spare a few minutes for yourself so we can make a difference. Remember, prevention is better than cure. Thank you.
Ya kak tien la jong pindam kam ya kabakan kio kak tien kasih kak tien la jong ai kan roy kan pa ngidon ki kan tien la jong belai pat puri bat penduk ya la kak tien la jong kum kan nuksa kak kan tien barikor kamut arts hakak tien pareng kak kan tien lari tipat kamut culture kumta ya ka arts and culture ngiyo ta ka tin khasi barikor bat lariti ki balong ru ki kitien ban karteng khon u barikor ka lariti lapan mi ta ka pati CTV naga menta ka jingmentoi upai pa